How to register on AWS free tier to gain free hands-on experience on AWS products and services. First of all, let's start the onboarding procedure entering our root user email address and the AWS username. I just use my name and surname. Then I'm gonna receive an email verification code on my personal inbox. As you can see, I receive this verification code on my Gmail address. Just need to copy and paste and enter in the wizard. Great. Now we are getting on step 1 of 5. We need to choose the root user password. Choose a strong one that meets the modern complexity of the account. This password is actually fundamental because it's your security against any access unauthorized. Then we need to enter our personal address and one credit card just for verification. $1 will be held on that card for verifying that is a proper that is working. Another important information is entering a mobile number that might be in US or whatever in the world, just for verification that you are a real user. And also there is a security check that we need to fulfill. So let me enter my mobile number and fill the CAPTCHA. I'm gonna receive a verification code on this mobile number. So once again, this mobile number will be binded directly with a user account, so ensure that it is a number that you actually have access of it. Okay, cool. In this way, let me remind you, Amazon now knows your personal detail, your credit card details, your email address, and your mobile number. Cool. Let me enter the code that I received on the mobile. If you are like me, very impatient, I received 2 different codes. The first one is already expired, so let me enter the second one. Great. Now we can move on setting up the support plan that we would like. As you can see, the cheapest available is basic support that is free. However, if you are a business, you would like maybe to choose a different type of package. Okay, congratulations! Now your AWS account is successfully completed. You receive also a confirmation via email that AWS free tier is actually activated for 12 months, as well also the AWS basic support that I selected. This is the bare minimum and allow you to enter in an AWS console. So now let me enter the root user, let me specify email and password, and in a blink of an eye we're gonna enter in what will be our home. This is the console home that give us all the connection to all the AWS services. One important thing, okay, there's this lovely wizard that tell you what are the main important buttons. However, what I usually do is just selecting the region. This is very important because it will be like for data locality in your system. As you can see, there are plenty of regions available and 12 more will be open soon. So let me select, for example, if you're in US, you can, on the East Coast, for example, North Virginia will be more convenient for you. All the console is going to be reloaded with this new setting, and now I can access the AWS product and services. There is a long list, but I think that the principal measure is AC2. Bear in mind that because the account is still new, you might need to wait a little bit of time for the AWS to approve and actually completely activate. Anyway, we successfully register on the AWS free tier. We have access to the AWS management console that give us access to all the AWS products and services. Now the sky is the limit, and with AWS free tier we can try all this product for free.